Hey y'all, welcome. Today on the menu I'm going to do asparagus, a delicious side dish for any meal. I'm gonna go on ahead and take these out the package and go on ahead and get these cut up so we can clean them up. Y'all see that hard part right there? We're gonna get rid of all of that. We just want the tender tops. We don't want to have to chew and choke. So I'm gonna go on ahead and cut the bottoms off. This is the part we want, y'all. After you get through cutting the bottoms off, just go on ahead and clean these things up, or you can clean them up before. Wash them real good, but be careful because you do not want to destroy. See those crowns? You do not want to destroy those. That's the best part of these asparagus. Gonna go ahead and get our oil up in here. Now you choose whatever oil you want. I used avocado, and I put a tablespoon of butter in there. Just melt that on down with that avocado oil. Go on ahead and put your garlic in there. I just chopped me up about 5 cloves because we love garlic over here. Absolutely delicious and good for your blood. Put the asparagus on there. Once you smell the garlic, real fragrant, go on ahead and put them asparagus on there and just let them do what they do. Toss them a little bit so that garlic can get all over. And y'all already know that asparagus goes with any and every side dish for a dinner at any time. These are so good. As long as you cook them right, you will make this every time. Just continue to toss them, and then we're just gonna let these things do what they do. Come back and check them to see if they get into the desired tenderness that we want. Put a little seasoning on there. I just put a little salt and a little pepper. Now they getting to where I want them to be, but we're not there yet. We close. We are almost there. Do you see how it is doing that little limp? Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. We are almost there. I'm about ready to take these things up out of here. Yep, we are ready. Let's get them out of here, y'all. Look at the asparagus. Look at the garlic, too. My God, today. I hope y'all try this for your side dish for any meal. Leave me a comment if they worked out for you. And please go back and subscribe. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up if possible. Just go on ahead and just hit it. You know, hit it. All right, y'all. I hope you all enjoy. Bye.